The union, we are indeed sorry that for the last 9 days nurses have been missing in action, and the health systems in Homa Bay actually crumbled. But I'm happy to note that going forward, we've come up with other dispute resolution mechanisms that will see to it that never again Homa Bay County nurses down their tools over issues we can sit down and agree on. All said and done, ladies and gentlemen, we wish to report, or otherwise say that all Homa Bay County nurses are advised to report back to their workstations immediately and not later than tomorrow, the 8th of April, 2026. And no nurse will be victimized for having heeded to our call to take part in a legally protected industrial action that includes unfair transfer, denial of leave days, and withholding of salaries.
Most of the areas that we are discussing, especially like the arrears, they are some of the areas that actually are historical. And because these are things that we have inherited, but I also want to be very clear that during the time that Her Excellency has been here, there's no arrears that are outstanding. So, but we also know that government exists in perpetuity, and it's also our duty that we address in the historical arrears. So we have agreed on a way forward, as the Secretary General has told you. The ones that we could solve immediately, we have solved them to their happiness and also to their satisfaction. And the ones that we couldn't solve instantly, we are given a framework. But I also want to mention that the areas, especially dealing with the promotions, when this government came to power, actually we found a backlog in promotion, some of them dating back to 19 years. There are people who had not been promoted for the last 19 years. As we are talking today, we are talking of the most current. Initially we went to up to 8 years, then 5 years, but now we are talking of the current as they go, because promotion is a continuous process. You promote today, and tomorrow some people also qualify for promotion. So we have given our word to the union members that where we have reached a very good point compared for where I started, and going forward, as you have mentioned, that we have got a very clear roadmap to make sure that we want to be seeing this type of strike in future.